Welcome back to the channel, folks. It's time for the daily vlog, and today is Dangmo. Today's a special day because it's actually payday for me from my pension. So I'm headed to the bank to find out if my check's there, which it normally is a day late. Should have been there yesterday. That's why I'm going today, because it's normally a day late. But so much for the daily vlog. That's what this is all about. Okay, here we are, heading into town, down the highway. Got 20 kilometers to go to get to Meat Choke Plaza. Had to make a quick stop, pick up a piece of iron right there, and a piece right there, fix my fishing net.
270 baht.
270? Okay, can we have somebody cut them in half for me?
Yeah.
Okay. I've got to buy two 6-meter long pieces just to be able to fix my fishing net. But my fishing net was a really good fishing net, so it's worth it. That's good. Yeah, they don't have to be exact, but that's okay. They don't have to be exact. That's good.
So cut.
Yeah, I bought the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just cut them in half. That's close enough.
That's okay. 3 minutes.
Yeah, that's good enough. He's close. That's good enough. Just cut him. I've got to go. I've got things to do. Yeah, just cut him. Looks good. Oh, another detour. Fawn has a couple of rental houses in town, and when we come into town, we just drop off our garbage from our house, seeing how we're paying for the garbage pickup at the rental house. So now, almost time to go to Meat Choke Plaza. Okay, this is Meat Choke Plaza. This big under the roof. People are so nice here. I just came from Capricorn Bank, which is my bank that I have my debit card from, and I had to go to Bangkok Bank, which is right down there by Rimping, to get my money from my Social Security check. It comes to that bank only from the US, so a little pain in the butt, but okay. All right, we're leaving Rimping. Got me some popcorn for when the wife and I watch a movie at home. And now we're headed towards Subway sandwich. Gonna get lunch and dinner tonight. Subway. It's just like it does back in the States. Hello.
Yeah.
Foot long. Two of them. Okay. Same. Honey oat. that's it for lunch and dinner. We'll go past McDonald's. Go up here and find the truck. Ta-ta. That's what Micho Plaza looks like. Okay, folks, it's Weather Channel time from beautiful Paradise Garden in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Actually, we're in a place called Sansai, which is about 18-20 kilometers north of Central Festival in Chiang Mai itself. But here's the weather forecast. Here's the way it is, period. It's 88 degrees was the high today. It was 61 degrees was the low. And currently it is 84 degrees. The winds are out of the east-southeast at 3 miles per hour. Yeah, it's gusting today. I mean, it's freaking windy. The chances of precipitation for the next 10 days are zilch, none. We're not going to have any. And the temperatures are going to be just a tad bit under 90. And it looks like there's a possibility it may get down to 60. Yeah, 60. Freaking cold. Yeah, wife's going to be wearing a coat. Me, I'm still going to be wearing t-shirts. But anyhow, let's go to Punk City, Oklahoma and see what the temperature is there. Currently 33 degrees. Yes. And a 5% chance of snow. Yeah, if they're going to have any precipitation, it's going to be snowing. And guess what? Tomorrow is supposed to bring for them 20% chance of precipitation. Yeah, 25 the following day. It snows in the forecast for Punk City, Oklahoma. Matter of fact, right now's temperature is 33 is the low for the day. The high was a whopping 44. So buckle up, Punk City. You ought to be here. The weather is fantastic. I just can't say how great it is to be in the tropics and retired. Talk to y'all later.